Hello and welcome back. So from this tutorial onwards, I'll be taking you through the basic commands in part design work module. So the first command we'll be looking at is the pad command, which is the most basic command. So first thing I'm going to do is make one sketch, a basic sketch of a rectangle. Making a rectangle over here. And then I go out of the sketch. And now what pad will do is it will make the rectangle, the 2D rectangle into a 3D rectangular block. So it basically adds the third dimension to the planar sketch. So if I select the pad and then select the sketch, so if you see over here, it adds the dimension 50, which makes it into a 3D object. So you can change the dimension over here before you press OK by just entering a value. And then pressing OK. So this is your 3D solid, which is called a pad. And once you create this, you will get the pad created over here under the part body in the design tree. So this is the most basic operation or a most basic tool for creating the 3D geometry. In the next video, we'll have a look at pocket.